It's a 2004 Ford Focus. It's got the 2.0, and it was having an idle issue where it would run a little rough, and pretty much that was it. So I figured out the problem. It had a vacuum leak coming from the intake. I believe it goes to the PCV valve. This hose right here. See, it's collapsed. See, just got. And such part about it is that clamp is about impossible to get to. So I'm going to try to figure a way to get it off. If I can, I may end up having to take the intake off just to get that switch off.
Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we be eating. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we be eating.
It's right here, okay? So this is the heat shield. This is the hose that goes above it. You go right down and go right where my finger is. Right here. Right there, below there. It goes into there and then it sets in like this. So I'm gonna clean. This is still good. I may go ahead and replace it. But that's the problem. That hose leads into the PCV valve and it's leaking air. It has no resistance. But this car has 227,000 miles and it runs really good besides that. Driving it, it doesn't sputter or anything. It was literally just the at idle. It was idle surge. And it threw a code for the I think P0401 for the damn, I'm brain dead right now, EGR, which it may have threw it because of this was running off. So we'll find out. I'll update.
Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we be eating. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we be eating. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we be eating. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we be eating.
Fat checks with them commas. I say eating on the daily while you niggas ain't about it. Come on, toast ass niggas. Yeah, you hurting on the diet. You ain't feasting like me. Wish a nigga would try me. Ghost, you don't see me whipping in a bucket. No, young nigga, I just want the money. Yeah, like Liam Neeson, I don't let him take my dough. That glide knock a nigga fucking face to the flow. Yes, it's me against the world on some move out shit. No pain, no gain, then it's not a win. Mama told me watch my back for the snakes in the grass. If it's zippy, then it's time to bring the lawnmower in. And I'm moving with a scope, looking for the advantage. Being patient is the key, then I'm looking to handle. Hard to keep my feet still, I'm so eager to grab it. And any move that I make, I know I'ma have it.
Nigga be dripping sauce when I walk. I eat greedy, bitch, I can't talk. I be living life like a boss. Keeping it flipping, you know I really get it off. Serving fiends like I'm playing tennis. To the state, I'm a fucking menace. Committing sins, but I stay repenting. Get the money, gotta get the business. I be moving work out the trap house. Like Dora the Explorer, I'm on the map now. I done came up, ain't going back down. These niggas hate that I rap now. Why the fuck these niggas hating? I'm with it. My niggas really on a mission to get it. We'll really put your top back. Me get your crop head. I be really on the block with the rocks head. Ducking the cops back. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we eat.